Hello, my name is Aaron Morris. I'm a multimedia specialist at San Antonio College. In addition to supplying the faculty and staff with multimedia support, I am the college's primary media site streaming platform trainer and oversee the training of all new media services employees. As such, I train faculty, staff, and technicians from multiple different disciplines. While most of my training is done on an individual or group basis, I am currently working on an online web training module. My personal learning model is based on the ADDIE model of instructional design as well as Bloom's taxonomy. Since education is a never-ending process, I feel this is best displayed in a set of revolving arrows. Once information is given to a learner, they should be assisted in relating that information to something that they already understand. Then they should be given the opportunity to apply that knowledge to a problem and analyze the outcome of their solution. While this can be done on an individual basis, it works much better in groups. The group or individual analysis then becomes the input stimulus to continue the education. Personally, I feel that abstraction is the highest level of learning because it allows you to take concepts and relate them to new information and new stimulus as you gain them. This provides you with more tools for analysis and a better collection of tools for problem solving. This is why Bloom's taxonomy is at the core of my model. I feel that a person learns best when they are self-motivated to abstractly think about their situation and work out the solutions for themselves. I don't mean by this that they should not have somebody helping them to find their way. Peers and trainers are all excellent sources of information to help an individual make decisions on what they believe. And then it's up to them to put it to the test to see if that holds true. Because of this, my preferred method of training is a project-based, hands-on collaborative training, assisted by peer critique and input from the instructor. This is actually a very common training method in the humanities, where concepts are not considered very rigid. Rather, they are more of an interpretation. Students are asked to question, think through, explain why they believe what they believe. This aspect of this method is very constructivistic. As with all learning methods, this does have its strengths and weaknesses. While it does promote a constant state of learning and abstract conceptual understanding, it does require a self-motivated individual that's not easily deterred, because they'll be using the trial and error method of learning. While this can be daunting, I feel that a student learns the information or concept better if they can be led to a solution rather than being given it. Unfortunately, this will not work if a student does not have a point of reference for a particular concept. As such, that has to be provided by the instructor or by fellow students. So to summarize, through project-based hands-on collaborative learning in an open environment, individuals have the ability to continually reanalyze their information, refining concepts to an abstract base that can then be applied to new concepts, thereby increasing a student's educational toolset.